Hi there and welcome to our new Instagram Reels service. We've put a lot of thought and creativity into developing some really inspiring recipes for your audience. We want to make sure that you engage your Instagram followers as much as possible whilst inspiring people with quick, easy, delicious recipes. Mouth-watering recipes grab people's attention because 99% of people love food. Plus, these recipes are diet-friendly, so you can attract people who are interested in fat loss and therefore are in your market. It's also very easy for your followers to share your content on Instagram, so this can help you cast a wider net. Here's an example of one of the reels we've created. Your reel will start with an opening shot of the finished dish. We can also supply you with a branded image if you'd like your logo to appear here. We'll be supplying you with a captioned and an uncaptioned version of each reel. So if you're adding your own captions, then you can create your own title in your own choice of fonts and colours. Let me quickly show you this example reel. As you'll see, the footage is shot overhead or top down. This is empowering because it puts the viewer in the position of the recipe creator. You'll also notice that you only see hands in the reel, so they are anonymous. You won't see anyone's face. If you're creating your own captions, we recommend you keep them bold, simple and easy on the eye. Otherwise, the viewer may get confused. We will also include a quick training when you sign up to show you how to add music to your reels. Now, another thing you can do in addition to or instead of adding your own captions is to record your voice over the video. That way you can add your own extra personal touch to the reel. It's totally up to you. At the end of each reel, you'll see the number of servings, the calories, and the macros. But if you want to remove these, we can do that for you.